Welcome. Myself J. Jasmine. I am doing BCom CS at KCS Kasinadar College Arts and Science. Now I am going to present about organization and its types. What is organization? An organization is a group of people who use their own skills and other resources to make a product or provide a service. Importance of organization. Organization is important because it allows individuals and groups to perform tasks more efficiently. It helps people find information and items faster, and it allows group to work together without wasting time. Organization is important for dealing with information as well. Types of organization. Line organization, functional organization, line and staff organization, committee organization, project organization, matrix organization. Line organization. Line organization is the oldest and simple method. If you see the diagram, general manager convey any information to manager and manager to staff. It is called line organization. There's no collaboration going on here. Merits and demerits. Merits. Simple method. Promote decision making. Easy to control. Communication is fast. Demerits. Lack of specialization. Manager must get overloaded. Failure of one manager affect the whole organization. Next, functional organization. The organization is divided into a number of functional areas such as production, marketing, finance, human resources, and so on. The specialist in charge of a functional department has the authority over all their employees for his function. Merits and demerits. Merits. Logical and reflection of functions, simplified training, better control. Demerits. Reduced coordination between functions, conflicts between different functions, different of general manager to coordination different department. Line and staff organization. It is a combination of line and functional structures. The authority get the help of staff specialist who is advisor. It is same for line staff also. It is very suitable for large organization. Merits and demerits. Merits. Line manager and staff manager will get specialist advice. Demerits. Conflicts between line manager and staff manager. Coordination may be problem between them. Staff may not take tasks seriously. Committee organization. Committee organization is the group of people joined together to arrive a solution to common problem. Merits and demerits. Merits. Group integration, communication, motivation, coordination, avoid action. Demerits. Finance factors, time, hamper individual action, holding responsibility. Project organization. Project organization consists of number of functional units to complete project of long duration. This term is managed by project manager. Merits and demerits. Merits. Special attention will be provided to complete the project. Maximum use of specialist knowledge. Project staff work as the team. Demerits. Quite challenging to coordination. Matrix organization. It is a combination of the structure, functional and project structure. Functional department is permanent. Project department are created for a temporary period. Merits and demerits. Coordinating towards end result. Professional identification is maintained. Pinpoints provide profit responsibility. Demerits. Conflicts exist. Disunity of command exists. Manager to be effective in human relations. Consolation. Every organization needs structure in order to operate systematically. It can be used by any organization if it fits into nature. One company may start as small company and may evolve up to matrix organization. Thank you.